Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to disable your message preview. So for example, you will receive a notification that you've had a text from someone or a message from someone on Viber, but you won't be able to see what that message is before unlocking your phone. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by clicking on the settings icon here. It's going to take us to our Viber settings. Next, we're going to select the third option we have that says notifications. And here, as you can see, in the same section as the notification sound, we have show message preview. So if you do want to see the message preview, you're going to leave it on. If you don't, you're just going to tap on it and turn it off. So as we said, if you leave it off, you won't be able to see the message preview unless you've unlocked your phone. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!